Your trucks are critical to your success, and we understand the issues in the aftermarket related to parts availability, quality and durability, and the need to reduce maintenance costs and drive uptime in your business. Wheeler Fleet Solutions offers a comprehensive suite of engineering, drawing, and sourcing services for our customers. We have a full staff of design engineers, development engineers, and CAD designers that can take your project from problem to solution. Wheeler Engineering uses an iterative design process that includes benchmarking your problem, concept design, complete drawing packages, prototyping, design validation, product launch where we source these products for production. We've also invested in 3D printing technology to lower prototype and production costs for small run and specialty items. Wheeler Fleet Solutions has over 60 years of automotive engineering experience in vocational vehicles, over-the-road trucks, last-mile delivery fleets, and defense vehicles. We understand the challenges of severe-duty vehicles. All of Wheeler Fleet's engineered products undergo rigorous testing and evaluation that meets or exceeds OEM specifications. We have a state-of-the-art test facility that simulates actual working environments so we can test and validate the durability of our products. All products are subject to verification to drawings and industry specifications, and each product undergoes various inspections to ensure quality and conformity. Wheeler Fleet Solutions supports over 300,000 vehicles each day with parts and services, so you can focus on your business. At Wheeler Fleet Solutions, keeping your fleet driving is what drives us. Now that's uptime delivered.